Okay guys, I got this beautiful UV lamp or lid lamp from Amazon from like a week ago, and I am in love with this. It's so beautiful. It's not original Sun 5, I guess. It's not look like the picture on the site, and the price, of course, it's not compared to the original one, but it's still very beautiful. The price was so convenient for me, and it's really nice. And I have my nails right now. I just finished my nails. I use this beautiful top coat on my nails, and I used this one as a base coat, and those are my nails. For more information or more videos about like more information review about this one and my nails and how I do my nails and how I make them long and beautiful like this very quickly without doing a lot of stuff like to make them hard and grow longer, it will be on my channel, Mimi's Makeup, if you wanna go in see them. Yeah, and this is a reel and a short at the same time, so it will be on my Instagram and my YouTube. So yeah, I love this buddy right here. I really love it.